I know you clicked to watch this video, but I want you to think about this first. There are 100 million traders in the world, and not even 10% of these traders are successful in making money. This is because they do not do what the little percentage successful traders does in the trading market. As you must have heard, Forex and crypto is a market where you buy low and sell high in order to get profits. But I will love to tell you that trading is more than that. Trading requires a lot of self-awareness to be successful as a trader, not only by buying low, selling high. This is because I know of many traders who do this concept and they aren't still profitable in this game. Now, I would like to ask, what do traders need to be profitable? To me, there are a lot of things that makes traders successful. 1. The first is emotion. Do you know that trading is a game? Like every other game, but it requires real-life money, and with real-life money comes with a lot of emotions attached to it. That is why a lot of people find it so hard to be profitable in this game. This is because when it comes to trading, emotions which isn't put in the right places kills traders. Now ask yourself, how often do you let your take profit triggered than your stop loss? A lot of traders do not even let their profit run to take profit before closing the trade, but let their broker notify them when their stop loss get triggered. That is to say, these traders let their losses run. Are you among these traders? If you are among, I'm here to tell you that it won't help you. You have to be calculative about your take profit and stop loss, so you can get out of the market only when either of them triggers. 2. Risk management. Risk management is the one topic that a lot of investors ignore when it should be a compulsory thing. Documenting successful and unsuccessful traders, I find out that a lot of successful traders knows their risk management to the core, while the unsuccessful ones are busy looking for a holy grail strategy with 100% win rate, which is impossible. When I was new to trading, I was so unsuccessful in this game because I was looking for a 100% win rate strategy. I also watched all the trading videos on this platform. In my mind, I was thinking if I can just get this one strategy, my life would change forever. Until I met a friend using a 40% win rate strategy to kill the market, and when I told him about my problems, he said, "RBT trader, you have to stick to one strategy and then watch as many videos as you used to, but rather than trading strategies videos, watch risk management videos." Ever since I implemented what he said, my profit grew massively. My strategy isn't the best, but with risk management, I sure make a lot of profit from it. I just figured that a lot of traders want a high win rate strategy because they are so eager to be successful so fast and forget that this is a business, and business takes time before it gets to a profitable stage. 3. Discipline. I think this is the body of all the worthy, important and achievable thing. Come to think of this, all the popular athletes, musicians, actors are all disciplined in what they do. If you want to be the top 1% of worthy people, you have to show up every day and keep going even if it's hard. In trading, you can make a lot of money, so do not expect to just get the money free, you have to earn it. A lot of traders are so indisciplined in their everyday activities, that is why it is so hard for a lot of people to make it, because an average person lacks discipline. They do not stick to one strategy. They know nothing about risk management and emotions. In trading, you must be disciplined. Always remember that your strategy would not work every time, and be seriously good and can live with that. Do not chase clout. Don't be so eager to get rich off trading very quickly. Do things at your pace and be consistent with what you're doing. Be strong. At times you might face hard time, but I'm sure you can overcome that, because I know you can. Always use your emotion well so you can win the market. Finally, backtest, 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 because backtesting is the only way you can understand your strategy more and be confident with it. 2023 will be coming in a week. If you can give trading your all by following these steps, I don't see any reason why you won't make it off the trading market in the coming years. Finally, do not rush things. This will be the end of the video. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.